maliit na! Maliit! Alin maliit! Yeah! See all the bamboo! Let's cut all! And we might give up. I don't know if today we really can accomplish. The heat and the humidity is so much. They're super pagod. Good morning everyone, Mabuhay Philippines! Kumusta guys? Hope everyone is well. Another beautiful day here in Puerto Princesa, Palawan, sunny day. And today guys is the last time that you're going to see the house like this, the garden. We are going to remove all the bamboo today. It's finally the day because you see are sobrang dami and too much madume of the leaves and too magulo. So we are going to cut it and we are going to make all the areas linis. Here we go also today with Kuya Lino. Hello Kuya Lino, kumusta? Today we are going to cut all the bamboo over here.
Yeah.
Diba? Okay, so guys, is really the last time that you're going to see our house in this situation because all this bamboo will be removed. Kuya Lino is starting already. We are going to remove this bamboo and all this one where Kuya Lino is already cutting. We are going to leave only the one at the back there for now. But we are not going to throw it. We are going to save all the bamboo. So we need to cut it first around 2 meter high. We leave it there. We cut all the rest on top. And after we are going to transplant it. We are going to place it in the road. We will show you more. Let's start our day. First of all, we need to remove some plant that Mommy said that exists since the dinosaur era. And this side over here. There are thorns, if you can see. And now it's major pangit. There are only 2 leaves, but if we can save and we'll recover, will be really maganda and really malaki. So now we remove this and we will start to cut everything. Here we go, the side cut has been removed. It's a big bulb, look at here, quite lucky. And here is the plant. We need to transplant it somewhere now, here in the garden. Most likely will go at the back. I think Mommy will choose to put it at the back. Sayang that there are only 2 leaves, Isa and Dalawa. But in the future, if this will grow, will be really an amazing and actually mahal. Sobrang mahal ang plants na to. Let's plant it somewhere. Now that the plant is removed, we can really start. I will start to cut this area of bamboo, the front one, while Kuya Lino is now digging the second one. We'll need to make it today. Today, all the 2 bamboo here, the bundle of bamboo, need to be removed. And some of you said that actually these bamboo are mahal, and I think in Manila is 750 for Dalawan pieces. So of course we are not going to throw it. We will just move it from here because we are going to make just the area more linis. If you saw our previous video, I already discussed about how we are going to renovate this area. We'll put a parking area over there, and we'll make a storage area here. So it's just a matter of taking it, moving it a bit on the pader and make it linis. And some we are going to use it also in the road. When it rains in our road, become a major madume and magulo because the rain touch the road. While like this, we put the bamboo and everything will be covered and will be more nice. Kuya Lino is now removing our lights that are lightening up all the garden during night. So we will be safe to remove all the bamboo over here. And one time I will do a tour of the garden during night because we didn't do it yet, and I think it's really nice to show you because it's everything lighting it up and really maganda. One day I will show you. Here we go. Very good. Thank you so much, Kuya. Oh, yun. We need to let it pass over here. Ganyan. Very good. Ganyan, ganyan. Very good, very good. Make it. Here we go, 9:30 in the morning, sobrang init na. I put the hat because if not, I will get cook. We can do Mirko Kawali, not Lechon Kawali like we did the last time. Here is the situation. We have removed this bamboo. The situation is starting to be clean. I cover also the patch because it's sobrang init today. Sobrang init. I don't know how will be at 12 if it's really hot like this now at just 9:30. So let's continue. Let's do Mabiles. So later maybe we can work in the shade and we don't need to stay under the sun. While Kuyalino is digging deep. Tingnan nyo. Yun. Very good. We are already sobrang pagod today. Di ba Kuyalino, sobrang pagod na. We was not expecting was so hot and was so hard today.
Nakapahinga na rin.
Oh, he dig already this. We need to put down all this bamboo and also this. I don't know if it's the weather or was expecting that was less complicated than what it is. We need to continue. Ooh. Look at here, guys. Sobrang dami na. What we're going to do with all this bamboo? Diba, kuya? Ang daming bamboo, no? Very good. Other tree broke na. Feeling cool, we are going to break the lights today. Look at that. All the bamboo are keep going on the lights. But it's so made up to remove it, so we just need to be careful. Let's continue. Look at it. Sobrang hirap because even with the ball of Kuyalino that is sobrang sharp, it's really hard to cut them. Are thick. It's now 11 and we might give up. I don't know if today we really can accomplish. The heat and the humidity is sobrang much. We are super pagod. Now Kuyalino is sharpening the bolo. We need to cut the bamboo, but it's super too hot today, really sobra. I'm with a little koala. Look at your cute baby Bella. Hey! He's attached like a little koala. Kuyalino is now cleaning a bit alone. He's cutting the bamboo at my back. I had to stop because Mommy is preparing food and baby Bella want to be carried. So I stopped. Now she's looking at Kuyalino. Look. Baby Bella, what Kuyalino is doing? He's cutting the bamboo. Sobrang pagod today, guys. Really sobra. We're going to rest for sure longer during lunchtime and we'll start late afternoon and let's see what we'll be able to accomplish. Look at baby Bella, so attentive of Kuyalino is doing. Hello, Lolino! What are you doing? Hello. Come here! Kuyalino, say hi. Hey! Ni? Kuyalino! Hey! Are you cutting all the bamboo? Yeah! See all the bamboo! Let's cut all! Very good! Yes! Yes! So everything will be cleaner, right? And look, the first bundle is almost everything cut. Kuyalino need to cut probably other, maybe 10, and it's tapos now. So the first one will be finished. We are going to cut the second and the third. We need to still thinking if to cut it or not. But do you see? It's way better now. Starting to be, you really can see more the sky and everything. And also for sure when will rain because the rainy season is just started, so more typhoon could arrive. There will be no problem for the car. Here we go back, guys. It's now afternoon. Medyo init, but still we need to finish here at least to cut all the bamboo. So Kuyalino is already cutting everything. We choose actually to cut all the bundle of bamboo, even the one near sa wall, because medyo magulo if we leave only this. The bamboo here, it's yeah, is not really nice. So we are going to remove all. We cut all as this, and now almost Cugliolino finish here. And after we are going to clean all the mess over here. For today, I think we are going to accomplish this. We will not be able to transplant it already. Sobrang mahirap ang work ito.
She's laughing. So, Papa's over there. Papa and Lolo Lino. Lolo Lino is on top.
Can you imagine? Sobrang dami, no? Diyos ko po.
No, how are you gonna clean it?
Yeah, because it's sobrang makate, sobrang itchy. Each of these leaves sobrang itchy. And my old dirty. Here we go, finally. Thank you so much, Cugliolino. Look at here the situation. Cugliolino is just on the back of the bamboo. We have cut all the bamboo. Now we need to clean. That is actually the biggest challenge, I guess, because all the leaves are sobrang makate and are sobrang many. Actually, look at here our garden, vegetable gardens. That's not good. But anyway, we will remove, we'll clean everything and we'll fix. We need to start. We have few hours left before that will be night. 3 p.m. new update. We are cleaning the area. There is still much to do. I think this time is the time that is most pagod than ever. It's really the most tiring day so far that we have worked here in the house. We need to really remove all these things. We need to continue. New update, 4 p.m. and we've almost finished. I really cannot believe. Guys, this is one of the hardest days in all my life. I really don't remember any day that was sobrang pagod like this. It was more pagod than this. I'm really happy because we have really almost finished. I just really want to go to sleep.
Look, it's so clear. Ang aliwalas. We can see the skies na.
Yeah. And you can see that palm.
Oo, yung forest. The jungle at the back. Oh,
Yes, Ben.
bara-bara ako naman ni Bella.
Yes.
I think it's going to rain. Yeah, I think, babe. I think it's drizzling a bit.
I know.
Maybe it is, babe. Look at that tiny feet. The tiny feet of baby Bella. Oh, nakadi-4 ka pa. Okay. Hello there. Hello there. There's Papa. There you go. Okay. Say Papa.
Hello. Bella. How are you?
Oh, don't touch. Hello po. Hi. Where's Papa? Where's Papa? Aling maliit na.
Aling maliit. You are so excited na. I cannot take you. I'm dirty. It's 5 in the afternoon, and guys, we have really finished. We have removed everything. Thank you so much, Cuialino. Has been a really long day. As I told you, really one of the most pagod in all my life. The weather really didn't help today at all. But Cuialino still full of energy. So also tomorrow we are going to work and we will continue this project. We will continue here. We will show you what we are going to do. Right, baby?
Yes.
Baby Bella, are you happy? Do you like now? Huh? Yeah.
Always happy.
It's now going to rain probably, right?
Yeah.
Feeling cold? Yes. So guys, it's everything for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you tomorrow with a new vlog. Bye bye. Thank you so much, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye po. Bye-bye.